Yo, 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 it's your boy KT, Kilo Tango Aviation. Today I'm going to show you how to do soft field takeoffs. As you're taxiing out onto the runway, hold back pressure on the yoke and don't stop on the runway. As you get lined up on center line, add full power. Keep that back pressure until the airplane lifts off the ground. Release enough back pressure to stay in ground effect. Let the airplane accelerate till you get to VX. Then climb out. Okay, now let's see how that works on an actual soft field. Getting started, I already made one big mistake. I don't have enough back pressure on the yoke. So that's keeping the plane from accelerating because the nose dug into the ground. Once I corrected it, able to get the speed up, lift off. Stay in ground effect, accelerate, climb out. That easy. Here's a soft field takeoff from this angle. Accelerating, nose is going to start coming up. There's liftoff, forward pressure, staying ground effect, maintaining center line, accelerating, climb out. Thank you so much for tuning in to Kilo Tango Aviation. Please like, subscribe, share, and let me know what you think in the comments. Have a good day.